Hey everyone, welcome back to the EnvyWigs YouTube channel. My name is Amber. Today we're taking a closer look at Paige, one of the newest additions to the EnvyHair collection. Paige takes the classic bob and reimagines it with soft feathered edges and light face framing bangs. It's chic, it's polished, and it's effortless. And just like all EnvyHair styles, Paige is part of the collection created by Alan Eaton, who set out to reinvent the way wigs look and feel. His vision was simple but powerful, to create a line that gives the wearer the luxury of human hair with the lightweight durability of synthetics. No compromises, just pure confidence. Here's Paige right out of the box. Let's do a full turnaround. She falls so naturally. The feathered edges give a light, airy shape, and the bangs are soft enough to blend seamlessly into the face. She's refined, elegant, and great for any occasion. From the office to a weekend out. Paige features an extended lace front and a monofilament top. The rest of this cap construction is fully hand-tied. That gives you the beautiful natural hairline and a scalp appearance, and you can part it every which way. This gives you movement that mimics real hair. Let's take her off and show you guys the underside. Now, we just did a full review on the Corey wig, and Paige features the same cap construction. You have that gorgeous extended lace front, your full monofilament top, and a fully hand-tied back. This is breathable, soft, and extremely lightweight. It's just 3.42 ounces. So you'll stay comfortable all day. Okay, let's put her back on. I'm wearing Paige in the color Silky Beige. Isn't this a beautiful blonde? This is one of my favorite rooted blondes. Paige comes in 17 gorgeous colors, from warm brunettes to golden blondes, and dimensional rooted tones. There's truly a color for everyone. Let's talk about what makes Paige so special, the EnvyHair blend. EnvyHair combines 70% heat-friendly synthetic fiber with 30% human hair. This creates the perfect balance of beauty and functionality. The human hair adds that silky realism with styling flexibility, while the synthetic fiber provides structure, lightweight comfort, and long-lasting color. You can heat style Paige up to 285 degrees Fahrenheit. And because of style memory, she holds her shape wash after wash. EnvyHair is also designed for longevity. With proper care, you can enjoy your Paige wig for months. It's the perfect blend of luxury and everyday practicality. Paige is so easy to personalize. You can smooth her for that sleek, polished look, or add a soft bend with a curling iron or Envy's 3-in-1 air styler. I think I'm gonna try Paige with that curl for that extra movement. Her natural feathered cut makes her ready to wear straight out of the box. But the EnvyHair fibers means you can restyle Paige again and again without the worry of damage. To keep Paige looking her best, wash her every 6 to 8 wears. And use products created for alternative hair. Always detangle before washing and let her air dry on a wig stand. If you notice frizz or slight buildup from friction, then use the 3-in-1 air styler and smooth her right out. You can also use a flat iron set to 285 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps smooth the fibers and reactivate the style memory so your wig stays salon fresh. We love that soft, touchable feel. Paige is the perfect balance of chic, lightweight, and low maintenance. With her soft bangs and feathered ends and that EnvyHair blend, she's that timeless style that you'll reach for again and again. Alan Eaton created EnvyHair to redefine what's possible in alternative hair, to give you freedom, comfort, and that confidence that feels just like you. If you love Paige, make sure to check her out on our website and go follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. There you'll see more wig reviews, styling tutorials, and hair inspiration. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and let us know what you think about the new EnvyHair styles, Corey and Paige. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye!